Hello there. In SAP environments, sensitive data like employee names, national IDs, and addresses can appear across multiple screens. Often, certain fields are visible not because users need them, but simply because they're authorized to access that screen. The problem? SAP lacks fine-grained controls to restrict data at the field level, so even legitimate users may end up seeing more than they should. Mage Data's SAP application data masking is a powerful solution that integrates directly into your SAP systems to protect data dynamically at the field level, while maintaining data integrity and referential consistency across business processes. Mage Data works seamlessly on both legacy and modern SAP front ends, including SAP GUI, Fiori, and UI5 interfaces. And more importantly, it does not require any SAP expertise nor coding. Authorized users often work with real production data, increasing the risk of internal exposure and non-compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, CPRA, DPDP, etc. With Mage Data, you can apply location or geography-based masking, allowing you to meet global and local privacy regulations with precision. Mage Data offers several masking options. Redact values entirely. Realistically mask values so that data still looks valid but is non-sensitive. Context-preserving masking to maintain usability in business workflows. Based on masking rules and user roles, Mage Data allows a user to see the original data, or the masked values, without changing any SAP code or disrupting operations. This is true application-level masking, real-time, dynamic, and context-aware. Once policies are configured, masking activates automatically without manual intervention. Mage Data is built as a lightweight extension, integrating with SAP using a secure, high-performance masking engine, with no impact on performance, even in high-volume SAP environments. It's perfect for the entire SAP ERP platform and works consistently across all functional components and user interfaces. Mage Data also supports mapping SAP roles to masking policies, even in complex role hierarchies, comprehensive audit trails to track every policy changes, masking for Z-tables and custom objects. This is not just a one-off SAP customization, it's a true enterprise-ready masking solution. Mage Data policies can be applied across all platforms and systems with the same governance and precision. Protect what matters inside SAP and beyond. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.